Okay, so as I was getting ready to go on my hike on the upland trail, one of the park rangers stopped by. He said, "Hey, you want to see an alligator?" I said, "Heck yeah." Okay, so as I was getting ready to go on my hike on the upland trail, one of the park rangers stopped by. He said, "Hey, you want to see an alligator?" I said, "Heck yeah." In all of my times hiking, I've never seen one. So I hopped onto his little rig and we went searching for the alligator.
One of the perks of being the only one in the park, the rangers are nice and they show you cool things like this, a snake.
So what do you do if you come up on one of these?
Not exactly sure what kind of snake it was, but I was glad I was in the cart. Now, back to the hunt for the gator. So we searched for the gator all up and down through some of the camps and didn't find anything. It was an interesting ride trying to find it, but at this point, no gator.
All right, so if I'm out and about and I see a gator, what do I do up here?
Walk away, run away from it.
Okay.
Walk away, run from it. Yeah, pretty good advice. Didn't find the gator, so it was back to the hike. Everything was back to normal. At least I thought so.
Okay, just got wind from another ranger that there is an alligator in the road. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm far away from it, so I can see it or see something in the road. I'm so excited. Hopefully it'll still be there when I get there. This is cool. Okay, I'm coming up to the gator. I can actually see it. Let me see if I can get a picture and some video without getting too close. This is the first gator I've seen in Florida. First gator I've seen in real life. Cool. So I know this is a little crazy, but I want to see if I can get a little bit closer. I've never seen this one this close.
Okay, I'm not that crazy. I did get close, but I will clearly zoom in to show you what the alligator looked like. It was pretty cool, but pretty big.
Kind of neat to see him up close.
Yeah. Yeah. I had to go outside the gate last week and get one off the road.
How do you get an alligator off the road?
I just slapped him in his tail with a towel.
I saw a snake, I saw a gator, and oh yeah, saw several deer while I was at the park. Lots of nature, all very pretty, great to see up close and personal.
Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye reminding you, subscribe to the RVJedeye channel, click the subscribe button, hit that bell so that you'll get alerted for the very latest videos whenever they come out. I think you'll enjoy them.